right, so we're back in our favorite spot, and this is a spot where we show you the guns, and we got some new ones that came in from Sagola. So we got some really nice stuff and some really top of the line equipment here from Sagola, and I'm ecstatic of what they sent out, so that way we can test it out on the channel and I can show you guys how nice these guns are. So there's a couple people I know that use them on Instagram, my buddy Josh Refinish, and also Tatted Cat. She's a really top of the line painter, and now she's doing a lot of custom airbrushing because she opened her own shop, but she uses these guns as well. So shout out to her as well as Josh. And now I got them, and we get to see what they'll do for me. So I'm really looking forward to trying these out, and we're gonna open this box and see what we got in here and check out the guns. So let's open up and see what we got. All right, so the first thing that I got out of the box is a hat, and they sent over one of their Sagola hats. They got their face logo on the front, and then on the side they got their Sagola emblem. So really nice hat. We'll use that one day, but we'll put that off to the side. And then we'll pull out this little box here. And this thing here is a little coffee mug they actually sent out. So check it out. It says, "Good morning, painter, go for it." So really cool. And then it's got the Sagola emblem on the other side of it as well. So just some nice merch to use. And this I'll use a lot because I definitely like coffee. So then they also sent over a really nice paint suit. So this is a heavy duty DuPont Teflon made, and really nice fabric, and definitely a well-made washable suit. So I use a lot of the throwaways, and this is one here that you can actually reuse, rewash, and keep it around a while. So I like to use these when I'm doing a big job or something that's really gonna be in the booth a while, because you got to get in this and stay in it, and you're not going to want to prep with this on. So this will definitely come in handy, and we may be using this soon on one of the jobs that we're doing at the shop. So really appreciate that. Now let's get into the guns. So they sent over here, this is one of the 4600 Extremes, and this one here is a 1.3. So this one here is the digital 4600 with a 1.3 in it, and this is the base coat gun that they recommended for the water base. So really nice, well-made gun. I tell you what, these are really top of the line. You can tell it's got the nice digital glass, and it's inside the handle on this. I like the way they did that. So I've never really used the Sagolas. Years back, one painter I worked with, he was a combo guy. He really used these and he loved them. He told me about them, and I think I might have tried it one time, but I'm not even sure what gun it actually was that I tried out at the time. So, but I tell you, these really are nice. And they sent over a different air cap, so I actually can use this one here. I was told more like silver metallics. It does a better job with them. And then they have the blue cap that you can use for the base coat. So that's the, I guess the aqua setup, which is in here. Let me open this up. So this is the aqua 4600 cap, and it's like a blue finish on it. So this is the one I guess you use for the water base. So I'm not too familiar with these. I reached out to Josh and he told me, so this is the DVR aqua, and this one here I guess is more for the water base. And we're gonna try them all out. So they sent me what they think would be good for my setup. I told them what I actually spray, and I told them what clears I'm using and everything like that. So they sent over that. And they also sent over a different needle here. They sent a 1.2 for the aqua. So it's a little mini keychain. I actually had one of these years back. I went to the NACE show when they had it in Orlando, and I think Sagola was there because I ended up getting one of these at the booth. But this will be cool, really nice. It's actually pretty heavy, and we'll put that on the keychain. But they sent over the guns, and this, they have the cups with them. So you guys know we're not going to be using these. We're going to be using the PPS. So I'm waiting on the adapters at the moment. And this here is the actual adjustment for the air. You put this on the gun and you turn this to adjust the pressure. You put your normal fitting on the bottom, and then you go ahead and screw this on like you normally would. But that's how you adjust the gun. is right here on this, and then you'll see your pressure up here in the digital. So I'm really looking forward to trying this gun out here. I like having the adjustment on the gun and not having to have a regulator on it. So this will be beautiful. And then they come with a brush. They got a sticker in here and just different stuff that the normal guns come with. So we've got this one here, and then we also have another gun that they have set up for the clear coat. And let's open that one up. So this is also a 4600 Extreme, but this one here is set up for the clear. So this is a 1.2, and this one has the titania DVR cap on it, and it's got the silver. So I was told that this one is for the clear coat, and this one here is a 1.2. So this is supposed to really put out some clear, this gun here. So I told him, you know what, give me a 1.2 because I don't want to have too much clear coming out. If this thing is a hoser, I'd rather go with a 1.2, and this would work really good for a high solids clear. So this is the one that I'm really looking forward to trying out for the clear coat. They also have the cups in here. They gave us a sticker, and just really, really nice stuff. Top of the line for sure. And we're gonna try them out on the channel. And you guys are gonna be here with me first time I try them. I'm waiting on the PPS adapter to come in, and I should have it tomorrow. So as soon as I get it, we'll be trying them out and seeing what these are all about, these Sagolas. So, but just looking at them right off the bat, I can tell you what, these are beautiful guns. These are all aluminum, the air cap's aluminum, all the knobs, and even this bottom here, the regulator kind of deal for the digital is aluminum. So very, very well made gun. Let's open it up and look at the inside when you take the cap off. Very, very nice looking gun. And it's kind of different looking inside the cap on these than I've ever seen. It's kind of got a different kind of angle with that round section in the middle there. That's probably what does make this gun work the way that it does, because it's definitely got a unique cap on it. So let's see the difference between the two caps. And it is, you can see the caps on them are different on the inside, because they say you can change the needles and make the gun whatever you want for base or clear, but you can definitely see these two caps are different. This here has a flatter circle around it, where this one here is more angled, and definitely looks a little bit different to me. You can see the size of this one here is smaller inside the circle, whereas this one is a bigger diameter. So that's gonna make a difference in how they spray. And we'll be checking them out. So I hope you guys like this little unboxing. And I tell you what, I'm really happy. And we're gonna really push these guns on the channel to see what they'll do. And I'm telling you, by looking at them, they're gonna be awesome. So can't wait to try them out. So stay tuned for the next video while we try them out and put them to the test. So we'll see you guys on the next one.